Do you prefer raw power or luxury, comfort? Which do you think in a car? Yeah, today we're going to be looking into this and seeing if the likes of the Rolls Royce, Tesla is also comfortable, or yeah, tech cars or raw power cars, the olden days cars which has no air condition, nothing. You're gonna be sweating in that car. You roll like this. This is how you roll. You roll like this, and at the end of the day, give you maximum speed. Which do you think is better? Today we're gonna be looking into that. Hey guys, if you are new in my channel, new to this channel, this is OBJ. Welcome back to another one. Yeah, if you've not watched the previous video which I made, it was really a controversial video, and I want you to see that after this video. The link is at the description below. I want you to see that video. Let's go. Comfort and convenience. Yeah, first of all, we're going to be looking at the advanced tech cars, which are the cars with the latest technology nowadays. Yeah, luxury cars. Let's see which is more comfortable. For the advanced tech cars, we have the like of the Bentayga. Yeah, you know that Bentley. You have Rolls Royce. Also, Tesla is also a techie car. So let's take a drastic examples with these cars. Let's see. These cars have make driving experience comfortable for you, down to the stitching on the cars, they even have massage seats where you relax. Also have self-driving, has everything for you to just enjoy your ride. Like you being the passenger, you're the passenger princess. You're doing nothing. You can even put it on self-driving. It assists you in driving. But let's come to raw power, which is, and I will say, is the olden tech. Raw power cars, these are cars where you do the work. Let's come to manual, where you know, yes, that's raw power. Where you do manual work, where you drive yourself. These cars are not comfortable. They are bumpy. You drive, and these are for real car guys who love being on the earth. Like I am the engine, controlling the engine, and all this. So, which do you think is the winner of this round? To me, the advanced tech cars won this comfortable round. They make you enjoy driving. Sorry, for car guys, I would say they enjoy driving also by, yeah. But in general, the advanced tech cars won. Now let's talk about the driving experience. For advanced tech cars, these cars are like co-pilot. You do nothing. Like for the first round, you relax. That's all you do for these cars. You just relax, you enjoy your ride, you put your leg on the gas, automatic, put your leg on the gas, maybe brake. And also self-driving experience. These cars are just cool. But coming back to the performance cars, these cars, for a real car guy, you gear one, gear two, and that's it. That's the experience about it for real car guys. So I'm still confused. Which do you think is better? Because the advanced tech make you enjoy your ride like you are the boss, but also for you know raw power cars, performance cars, you are the pilot himself. You drive this car, you are involved in the driving, and you enjoy driving. You enjoy driving like no other guys. So which are you preferring? Which do you prefer? Which do you prefer? I want you to leave the comments, to leave that in the comment section. Let's go, guys. Round four. Yes. My audio went out when recording this round four, so I'm gonna make a voiceover of this. Yeah, for round four, it's performance and power. Advanced tech luxury cars, don't be fooled by their luxury at all. They can perform with advanced engines, especially in electric models. These cars offer impressive acceleration and power, all while keeping you in control. Yes, yes. But for performance driven muscle cars, when we talk about the fun cars for car guys, these are for car guys. But if we are talking of raw power, muscle cars are hard to beat. When we talk of performance and power, you're supposed to know that performance cars have win this round already. They are built for speed with high horsepower engines that deliver a punch power that can feel every time you hit the gas. You know, for performance cars, most of these cars are optimized for performance. When you have fiber carbon, just for speed, for lightweight. So for this round, the winner goes to performance driven muscle cars, of course. These cars are the mayday. For round 5, performance, maintenance, and reliability. Yeah, for maintenance and reliability. The advanced tech luxury cars, with all their technology, comes complex. They are very complex and hard to maintain. On these cars, maintenance on these cars can be costly, and they often require specialized care plus more electronics. The more things there are to go wrong. You know, nowadays cars are very, very technical because of the electronics, the electric in it. But you have performance cars. Performance cars don't need a lot. They are very simple, just the engines. Maybe you have a radio, no AC, no air conditioning in these kind of cars. So they are easier to repair. So for these, the winner of maintenance and reliability goes for performance driven cars. Yeah. Round 6, aesthetics and style. The advanced tech luxury cars, these are cars that are sleek, modern, and very cute. I don't know if that is allowed in the car world. Very cute, but these cars are cute. Trust me, their interiors are well tailored. The When we talk of the stitching, they are well tailored with elegant design, futuristic design, and when you see them, so appealing. You have the likes of. Are we going to talk about the modern Bugatti, the Lamborghini, the Porsche, the Rolls Royce? These cars are, you know what the futuristic cars are looking like nowadays. But for the performance cars, nah, though sometimes they do have fine weave of carbon fiber chair, bucket seats. Nah, but it's just mostly Akata. We just need it to run well. Yeah, yeah. So for this athletics and style, it's majorly your style. As for me, I would go for the performance cars because I love the seat you're using sitting down. I love carbon fiber, love this fine weave of carbon fiber. Yeah. Now for round 7, environmental impact. Trust me, environmental impact is amazing. For the advanced tech luxury cars, they hardly bring, because they are mostly um hybrid hybrid modern nowadays, and electric cars. You hardly see carbon monoxide in the environment. They hardly litter the environment with carbon monoxide and sound pollution. But no, 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 no. For the car guys, the sound aspect is is not a pollution. Even the carbon monoxide is smell like gas, money. When you rev your engine and everywhere is polluted with carbon monoxide, you have money. For the performance driven muscle cars, these cars are known for their power. They are not eco friendly, not at all. They pollute the environment, and of course, we know the winner for this round is for environmental impact is Advantech, because this reduce carbon monoxide, reduce noise pollution and all. Now for the final score. The advanced tech luxury cars. Yes, one T with three round. Yeah, they won three, just three out of it. And Mozo dreamy cars for the car guys. Yeah, we have for you drum rolls, 4 round, and they are the winner of this. Yes, even though the advanced tech is actually the future of cars right now, but I still prefer Mozo cars. I still prefer the 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 main reason for sport cars. Why you drive cars when you are involved in the driving, I still prefer that to electric cars, to less work, to self-driving. I still prefer, I still prefer it, but it is what it is. One day, we all know that performance-driven muscle cars are going to be vintage. Yes, we have nothing to do about it. That's the world we are going to right now. But we have to accept it. Yes, guys, thank you guys for watching to this part of the video. You are the real one. I really appreciate you guys. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and go watch my last video. You're gonna enjoy it, guys. See you guys in the next one. Peace. Hey guys, for those of you that are here to this moment, I have a special video coming up and won't want to miss this. Subscribe and click the notification bell so I notify you whenever I upload.